What is going on, everyone? LL here from the Handmade and Beyond community and host of the Handmade and Beyond podcast. I'm back with another video, and in this video I want to talk about how to send email marketing emails to people that favorite your items and people that add their items to the cart. And you can do this through Etsy. It is something that is 100% free. It's something that they used to charge for years ago, but now it's free. You can set it up. You can put whatever coupon you want to have sent to them. So whether you want to do like 10%, 15%, 20%, whatever works for your margins, you can set that up and send this, have it send it to people that come to your shop that either favorite their items or add the items to the cart to help your conversion rates, to help people come back and buy from you. I would recommend, if you do set it up, for me, those that add items to their cart convert better just because they're a more serious buyer. Of course, they went to the step of adding it to their cart. They just didn't check out for whatever reason. So those always work better and convert better than favorites. But still, you want to have it set up for both, just in the off chance that someone favorites your stuff and then want to come back and buy as well. I've also found that around 20% discount works the best too. It works better than 15 or 10%. That's usually enough oomph for them to be able to come back and entice them to come back and buy from you. All right, so what you do is you want to go into the marketing tab in your shop manager dashboard, and then you want to go to sales and coupons. And then once you're there, at the very top, you should see abandoned cart and recently favorite items. So you can set those up. It'll give you the option to set them up. Mine are already set up, as you can see, so it doesn't have the option to set them up. You can also, at the top right, you can do new special offer, and then you can do send offers to interested shoppers. So you can set up offer here, and then here's where basically whether you do it this way or you do it from the actual dashboard that I was at first, it works the same way. So you click abandoned cart or you do recently favorites, and then you select the percentage off. So you can do a fixed amount off. So if you don't want to do a percent like 10, 15, 20, you can do maybe like $5 off or $7 off. I would recommend a percentage off just because that's what people are used to seeing, but it really depends on your business and your margins, what you want to do there. Or you can do just free standard shipping if you want to go that route. So select your percentage off, and then you got to name the sale or name the offer. So you're going to name the abandoned cart one thing, and recently favored cart another thing. So you want to keep them separate. I would, whatever you do, put in your name the percentage or the amount off, just so you can help keep track. So if you're going to do 15% off, I would do like abandoned 15. Here's what I did. I think mine's set at 25 right now. So I did abandoned 25 and favorited 25. Just so you know, when you're looking in your dashboard, you can easily see what percentage off ones. So you can, if you want to switch and try test different percentages, which I would recommend doing, you can do like, abandoned 25, abandoned 20, abandoned 15, whatever you want to do there. Whatever you name it here. So I'm just going to do test 25. And then you go to review. I got to select the percentage off. All right, so it's not letting me do the percentage off because I already have a coupon for that. So I'm just going to do fixed amount just for the intents of this video to show you. So once you do the fixed amount, just do review, and it'll give you the details of what you just set up, and then you launch the campaign, and you're good to go. You just let it sit. And then once it's launched, it's going to look like what I showed you at the very beginning. Right here, you're going to have a dashboard. You can see how many emails are being sent. I also have a post-purchase thank you set up too. And then when you scroll down here, you can see how they're performing. What they're converting at. So it's not going to be a lot of conversions, but it's going to be some, and it's, any sales, even if you get one more sale, it's worth it as opposed to getting no sales. So it's free email marketing. I would definitely set it up. It's not perfect. It doesn't always send out emails. It may start a little bit slow depending on how much traffic you come to your shop. But I would definitely have it set up and run it in the background. There's really nothing to lose by having it set up and having that free marketing set up. That's how you do it. If you guys need more help, resources, Make sure you follow this channel. Make sure you go to handmadeandbeyond.com. Other than that, I'll be back again with some more stuff to help you start, build, and grow your Etsy business. Have an awesome rest of your day.